Open up the NeoCharge box. Take out the mounting bracket. Got all the screws and bolts right there. Following the directions, just shut the dryer off. Unplug the dryer. Next, get the mounting bracket installed. Plugging in the primary, which will be the dryer. Now we're going to plug in the secondary, which will be the Tesla charger. Finishing up. Tesla charger plugged in. Turn the breaker back on. And we have power to the charger. Now time to move the Tesla in the garage and give it a shot. And that is how you install a NeoCharge outlet splitter for your Tesla.